In which state is the International Saraswati Mahotsav celebrated? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Haryana. The International Saraswati Mahotsav 2025 will be held on a grand scale in Haryana, building on the success of the Geeta Jayanti celebrations. Dhuman Singh Kirmach, the Vice President of the Haryana Saraswati Heritage Development Board, revealed in a press conference. Which country was recently certified malaria-free by WHO? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Georgia. D. Thailand. Correct answer is Georgia. Recently, Georgia was officially certified malaria-free by the World Health Organization, WHO. This achievement marks a milestone for the country and the WHO European region. Georgia joins 45 other countries and one territory that have reached this status. The certification reflects decades of effort and investment in malaria control and elimination. Which country has declared 2025 as the Year of Community? A. India. B. UAE. C. Saudi Arabia. D. Qatar. Correct answer is UAE. UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan on Monday announced 2025 as the Year of Community, launching a national initiative aimed at fostering unity and inclusion across society. Under the slogan, Hand in Hand, the campaign reflects the UAE leadership's vision to build a cohesive and empowered community. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? A. Tezpur. B. Silchar. C. Dibrugarh. D. Jorhat. Correct answer is Dibrugarh. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that Dibrugarh will be developed as the second capital of Assam. On the occasion of Republic Day, Mr. Sarma said the district headquarters of Dibrugarh will be developed as the second capital of the state within the next 3 years. This was the first time the Chief Minister unfurled the national flag in Dibrugarh. What milestone does launch of NVS-0 to satellite on 29 January 2025 mark for ISRO from Sriharikota? A. 50th launch. B. 75th launch. C. 100th launch. Correct answer is 100th launch. On 29 January 2025, the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, successfully launched the NVS-0 to satellite from the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota. This mission, conducted using the GSLV F-15 rocket, marks ISRO's 100th launch from Sriharikota. What is the name of the advanced battlefield surveillance system unveiled by India? A. Sanjay. B. Vikrant. C. Shakti. D. Tejas. Correct answer is Sanjay. The Indian Army is upgrading its battlefield capabilities with the implementation of the Battlefield Surveillance System, BSS, under Project Sanjay. This system is designed to offer commanders and staff at all levels a real-time, detailed operational picture. The initiative aims to improve decision-making processes by providing comprehensive situational awareness. On which date is Martyrs' Day, Shaheed Divas, observed in India? A. 15th August. B. 26th January. C. 30th January. D. 2nd October. Correct answer is 30th January. Martyrs' Day is commemorated on 30th January to mark the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas is also commemorated on 23rd March to remember the sacrifice of three extraordinary revolutionaries of India, Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar. Who was recently honored with the Maharaja Hari Singh Award? A. Manoj Sinha. B. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister. C. Nirmal Singh. D. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Correct answer is Manoj Sinha. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha was conferred with the prestigious Maharaja Hari Singh Award at a grand ceremony held at Satyam Resort, Jammu. The event, organized by the Gulista News Network, was part of the Maharaja Hari Singh Peace and Harmony Award 2024-25 celebrations. Who were recently crowned national table tennis champions in India? A. Manush Shah and Diya Chitale. B. Satya Glanasekaran and Manika Batra. C. Sharat Kamal and Archana Kamath. Correct answer is Manush Shah and Diya Chitale. Manush Shah and Diya Chitale of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, respectively won the men's and women's singles titles at the UTT 86th Senior National and Interstate Table Tennis Championships 2024 held at the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Indoor Stadium in Surat, Gujarat. The UTT 86th Senior National and Interstate Table Tennis Championships 2024 was organized by the Table Tennis Federation of India at Surat from 19 to 26 January 2025. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.